Stop screaming at the algorithm. It is not a person. It is a mirror reflecting your audience. Most creators think there is a secret code or a luck button they haven't found yet. But the algorithm is just a recommendation engine designed to keep people on the platform. Think of it as a waiter in a restaurant. Its only job is to serve viewers exactly what they want. If your video gets 0 views, it means the waiter showed the menu, but nobody ordered. It is not a shadow ban. Your packaging is just boring. Let's fix the system. To win, you must understand the machine. It works on 3 distinct inputs. The algorithm does not care about your effort. It only cares about data and behavior. It tracks every click, every skip, and every single second a person spends watching you. If a viewer clicks away fast, the robot takes a note that the video is low quality. If they watch until the end, the robot makes a copy and finds more people just like them. This creates a snowball effect. More good data leads to more impressions and more growth. The algorithm is a cycle. Viewer behavior shapes what the robot promotes next. You are not fighting a computer, you're competing for the attention of humans. Once you accept this, you can stop guessing and start building a predictable system. Input number 1 is the click. This is your menu. If it's ugly, nobody eats. Click-through rate, or CTR, is the percentage of people who see your thumbnail and click. If 100 people see your video and only 2 click, your system has a massive leak. Most thumbnails are too cluttered. They try to say everything and end up saying nothing. A great thumbnail creates a curiosity gap. It asks a question that only the video answers. You need high contrast and simple visuals. The brain should understand it in 1 second. Your title should not repeat the thumbnail. They should work together like a puzzle. One creates the desire, the other provides the context. This is the promise. If you promise a secret in the thumbnail, but the video is generic, people will leave. This leads to the death of a video. High CTR with low retention kills your reach. Don't trick people into clicking. Give them a reason to be excited about the value inside. Think of your packaging as an invitation to a party. Make sure the party is actually good. Now that the guest is in the room, you need to keep them there. Input number 2 is the watch. This is where most creators fail in the first 30 seconds. Audience retention is a stopwatch. The longer they stay, the more the algorithm loves you. If your graph looks like a cliff, you are losing the viewer's interest immediately. You must deliver the gold within the first 10 seconds to prove you aren't wasting time. Cut out the fluff. No long intros, no begging for subs, just straight to the value. Use visual storytelling. Don't just talk about bricks, show yourself building the wall. Every 30 seconds you need a re-hook, a new reason for the viewer to keep watching. This keeps their brain engaged. It stops them from checking their phone or scrolling away. Average view duration, or AVD, is the king of metrics. It's the ultimate signal of quality. If people watch 70% of your video, the algorithm treats it like a masterpiece. It's better to have a 5-minute video people watch fully than a long video they skip. Respect the viewer's time, and the algorithm will reward you with more of it. Once they finish the video, there's one final piece to the puzzle. Input number 3 is satisfaction. This is the survey at the end of the meal. Likes, comments, and shares are signals that the viewer is happy with the content. But the strongest signal is watch next. Did they stay on YouTube to watch more? This is why series work so well. You become a dopamine source for the algorithm. If you can make a viewer watch 3 videos in a row, you are a growth machine. Stop obsessing over luck. Focus on the click, the watch, and the satisfaction. Build a system that makes winning automatic. Subscribe to Systematic Shaker to learn how. The blueprint is ready. Now, go out there and build your empire.